Hi guys. All right, we're on to our blue words. Now these are our getting to the end of the year words. So they're harder, but we need to learn them and practice them because when you go to first grade next year, you will have to know these words. So blue words. Do, will, one, who, that. Let's move over here. Want, all, was, they. Because we use this word a lot in our writing. I like to go to the park because it is fun to play. Okay, so your turn. Let's go back to this side for your turn. Ready? Okay, I want you to look at the words. What two words rhyme on this page? Tell someone what words rhyme. I'm not giving you the answer. You have to figure that out. There's actually two words on here that rhyme. That's kind of a hard one. Okay, practice your blue words.